This is the video for Thursday, the 24th. If you were logging into Schoology from home, awesome, thanks for doing that. Make sure that you get the attendance done. Today, what we're going to be doing is a review assignment on the inverse, converse, and contrapositive. There's going to be an assignment posted. It's not going to get up until second hour because I need to make it yet, but it'll be in their second hour. I'll be making statements, some if-then conditional statements, and you need to be able to write the inverse, converse, and contrapositive. So it's a review on all three of those things. The most recent assessment we had was on Monday. This will actually get us ready for the last assessment on Monday. So if you are all caught up, Monday is the next assessment. So make sure that you're using your time today. Make sure you're using your time this weekend to get completely caught up so we can take the assessment on Monday. After that, we're moving on to something completely new and different. We're going to be hitting some lines and angles and things like that, and actually getting into some of the shapes and things that people usually think of when they think of geometry. So make sure that you are caught up for Monday, or we're moving on. So get caught up, and I'll see you in class.